TurtePack is a fun swimming aid designed to make the learning to swim experience faster, more efficient and more enjoyable. TurtePack has 5 key benefits, so it allows children to have full use of their arms in the water so they're not restricted. It provides the correct horizontal body position so they can swim in the water in the right swimming position. And then the real magic behind the product, as the child's confidence and coordination improves in the water, you can reduce the buoyancy by taking away segments of the shell. So the child goes from 3 to 2 to 1 and then eventually don't need the product. In the Advanced Forming Research Centre, I was in touch with a woman called Katia, and she just wanted to help out as much as possible. So she provided a lot of help on the manufacturing side, on intellectual property and just general business advice on how to take the next steps forward. So she was just fantastic. One of the key things that was very important with the product was to try and get the product patentable. So we worked closely with Katia, our IP specialists and our design team to really make sure that the product was patentable going forward, because without the product being patentable then there wasn't that much hope of securing further investment going forward. It was fantastic to get that support and really take us to the next level. Probably the key highlights were in the summer of 2017 we won the Scottish Edge, so we secured £110,000. That was £100,000 in the main edge and £10,000 in the wildcard edge. And the huge benefit programme that I've been on is the Royal Society of Edinburgh Enterprise Fellowship. I would highly recommend anyone to get in touch and benefit from the support of AFRC. Any support that is on offer is a huge benefit, and if anyone can come up with an idea and bring it to life through a product, it's just a fantastic achievement.